You're perfectly wrong for me, and that's why it's so hard to leave. Yeah, you're perfectly wrong for me. Yeah, you're perfectly wrong for me. All the stars in the sky could see. Yeah, you're perfectly wrong for me. Hey everyone, this is a special request, alright, by, I don't even know if I'm going to say your name right. Linos Sutton is the one who's requested. I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name. But he wanted to learn how to play the song by Shawn Mendes called Perfectly Wrong. And it's not country, but it's still awesome. Alright, so let's get right into it. You're going to put a capo on the 5th fret. You're going to do standard tuning. The chords you're going to use for this song, you're going to use F. You don't need to bar it, all right? You actually, on this one, it's totally awesome if you just do your pointer finger on instead of barring it, all right? I would still try and bar it, but you're not going to need to do it. So you're going to do F, you're going to do G, all right, and A minor. And this is the order for most of the song too, okay? And A minor. You're going to use C as well. You're also going to use E minor, okay? I believe that's all the chords. So I'm going to show you how to pick the intro and the chorus. And the intro is just how you pick the verses as well. Okay? So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. But I'm also just going to show you how to just play it with the chords if you want. Okay? So for the intro, when you do F, all right, you're going to be doing like this. So you're going to pluck the big E string. Okay? So it's 1, and then you're going to pluck the D string. So it goes D, G, D. Okay? So it's just like that. Then you're going to go to G next, and this is the G you're going to play. So like this, then you're going to go 3. So you're going to again pluck the E string, the big E, and then you're going to go G, B, G. Okay, so those are just open. You'll notice when you're not going to. There's nothing like holding them down, right? So it's just E, G, B, G. Okay. Then you're going to go to to A minor, and then you're going to pluck the A string, okay, and you're going to go A, so you're going to go A, G, B, and then you're going to go G, B, and on this last part you're going to put your pinky on the E string on the 3rd fret in relation to the capo, so you're going to go G, B, E, just like that. Okay, so that's the second time. Sorry, that's the first time that you play it through. Then when you play it again, you're going to go do the same thing. So you're just going to go back into F. This is just an F chord. You're going to do F. So E, D, G, D, G. So then go to the G chord and then do E. So the big E string, big E, G, B, G. And then go back to the A minor and pluck A, and then do G, B. Okay, and then you don't play those last 3 notes where you like you did in the first time, and that's it. So that's how you play the intro and the verses. All right, so you can play it like that if you want. So you would start it. It would sound. I'm not going to play the whole thing, but you're not, because if you're newer to guitar, it's going to take you a little while to get the timing down of it and everything, most likely. But it's taste the poison from your lips. Okay. Sorry, I didn't have that one hammered down well enough. Okay, then you're going to do lately we're as good as gone. Then oh, our love is drunken in. Okay. Singing me. I cannot remember it. Singing me my favorite song. Okay, so that's how you would play that. Now, if you want to just strum the chords, you can too. So you can just go, taste the poison from your lips. So it's just straight down strums. Down, okay? Taste. So you do taste is F. Taste the poison from your lips. Okay, so poison is G and A minor is lips. Okay? Lately we're as good as gone. So it's just down, 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 down. Down, 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 just like that. It's a super easy strumming pattern, and you can do that for pretty much the whole song. All right. Then when you get to the pre-chorus, you're going to go E minor, me and you. So you is F. So E minor is me, and then F is you. So it's me, E minor, and you. All right, F. We were made. So on made is where you do E minor again. Made to break. Break is F. I know it's true, but it's much too late. Okay, and so that's going to be easy because you end it on F, and then you're going to go right into the chorus. You're going to do, it's very similar, but it's not exactly the same. So it's going to be F, G, A minor, C, F, G, A minor. Okay, then it's F, G, A minor, C, F, G, A minor. So that's how you would do it with your thumb, okay? Like if you're picking it with your thumb or a pick, and you're just strumming it. All right, now if you want to pick, do the finger picking that he does in the chorus, you're going to do, it's going to be very similar to the intro, but it's not exactly the same. So you're going to start the same, you're going to do, so F chord, you're going to pluck, so on the first fret here, you're going to do the big E, and then you're going to do the same thing as before, D, G, D, okay? Then you're going to quickly switch to a G, and you're going to do, again, big E, and then you're going to do, it's very, so far it's the same, and you're going to do G, B, G, okay? Then you go, this is where it gets a little bit different, then you go to A minor, and you're going to do the A string, okay? So A string like that, A string, G, B. Now instead of doing it like you did before, you're going to go G, B, G, okay? Then you're going to quickly go to C, which is very easy transition, and you're going to pluck that same one, okay? So you're going to do the A string again and go A, G, B, and then put your pinky down on, like I am here, your pinky down on the 3rd fret in relation to the capo, all right, on the little E string, okay? Like that. That's how you'll do it. So it'll be just like that, okay? And then you'll go back into F. So, all right, and then when you do F, you're doing exactly like you did before. So then it repeats itself, except for you skip the C, all right? So you're going to do E, in the F chord, you're going to do E, D, G, D. Then going to the G chord, and you're going to do the same thing, big E, all right? G, B, G. And then A minor, you're going to do A, and then G, B, and then this time you're going to pluck G, the B string, two additional times. Okay, so you're going to go A, G, B, G, and then on the one that's on the 1 fret, so you're going to on the B string, you're going to go do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, open. So it's like that. Okay, then you're going to go back to the chorus. You're going to start over again with the F, and you just repeat that part. So you repeat everything you just did. Okay. Okay, just like that. So that's the C. Then you go back into F, G, A minor. Okay, but that's how you end it. So you just do, on the A minor, you don't do that little like 1, 1, 1, oh. You don't do, okay, you just do the A string, the G string, and then the B string. And that's it, okay? So that you'll just cycle through those, all right? If you want to just play it like the other way, just with strumming, it's just going to be the F, G, A minor, C, F, G, A minor, okay? Just like I showed you before, all right? Now then you're going to play the second verse and then the pre-chorus again, and it's just very easy. So when you play the bridge, you're going to do F, G, A minor, C, F, G, A minor, okay? then you'll do F, G, A minor, C, F, G, A minor, and then you go back into the chorus, okay? So it's a really easy song to play. You can pick it, you can pick parts of it, you can pick the whole thing, you can strum the whole thing if you want. It's very easy, all right? Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments, any other songs you'd like me to teach you next, and please hit subscribe and like so that so you can get notified when I come out with new videos, all right? Thanks guys, it's been a lot of fun. I'll see you next time.